Hello friends! In a few days, I will publish my new expert advisor, Shark FX, on the MQL5 market. The base price of this product will be 500 USD and will increase as more purchases are made. But first, for the first 3 hours after publication, there will be a special launch window during which Shark FX can be purchased at a 50% discount. This means that during the first 3 hours after release, the advisor will be available at a price of 250 USD. After the 3-hour window ends, I will set the price at 500 USD and will continue to increase it as sales grow. The target price for this product is 2000 USD because it is a high-end product that I do not want to sell to just anyone. It will be only for a limited audience of people. So, if you're watching this video, you've received a unique one-time opportunity from me to get an excellent professional trading bot at a relatively low price. Below this video, you will find detailed information about exactly when this 3-hour window for discounted purchase will open. And now I invite you to watch the video presentation of my new expert advisor, Shark FX. Friends, let me introduce you to my new expert advisor, Shark FX. This is a sharp-toothed scalping bot that operates around the clock in a fully automatic mode, without martingale, without grid trading, and without increasing the lot size after a loss. This product works with short adaptive stop-loss orders, and the risk-reward ratio is 1:1. The average holding time of a position in the market is about 7 hours. During such a short intraday period, the market doesn't have time to drastically change its sentiment, and your trades won't be stuck in a floating drawdown for several days on the verge of a stop-loss. And that's very important, friends. Simply put, Shark FX means high entry accuracy, strict risk control, and disciplined position management. This expert advisor includes as many as 15 currency pairs, which provides maximum diversification of the trading portfolio and distribution of market risk. That is, while positions on some instruments are experiencing a local drawdown, others are generating positive results, balancing out the equity curve. Of course, to confirm the effectiveness of this expert advisor, I created a public signal on MQL5 with trading statistics monitoring. To date, the strategy has shown a 49% net profit in just a few months and continues to grow steadily without aggressive position scaling methods. And as I mentioned earlier, this is organic growth, without martingale, without grid trading, and without risky mathematical schemes that could lead to a margin call. The advisor has already undergone stress testing under conditions of increased volatility before the New Year holidays. It also demonstrated good performance during trending impulse movements at the beginning of January, as well as during periods of low volatility and narrow ranges while awaiting macroeconomic news. Trading is conducted simultaneously on 15 assets, and the sharp-toothed scalper Shark FX steadily increases capital across different market phases, from flat markets to impulse movements. Personally, I have added Shark FX to my algorithmic portfolio Intraday Softcore, which I manage publicly on my website. This portfolio includes my best algorithmic strategies, which together deliver a stable overall result across different market conditions. Shark FX has earned its rightful place in this portfolio because it demonstrates consistently positive performance and increases the overall yield curve of the index. Simply put, I recommend using the tool that I successfully employ in my own algorithmic fund. And now a few words about how the Shark FX strategy works. At the core of this scalper lies a mean reversion strategy based on several of my proprietary indicators and volatility filters. The advisor analyzes intraday volatility, tracks the deviation of price from its volume-weighted average, and identifies swing reversal patterns that indicate a potential return of quotes to the mean level. After identifying a trading opportunity, the algorithm places a limit trap order, allowing entry at an improved price during the final impulse before the correction. Using a built-in adaptive risk management algorithm, Shark FX measures current volatility, the average length of price waves, and range dynamics to determine the optimal stop-loss and take-profit sizes for specific market conditions. In other words, the higher the volatility, the wider the protective levels, the lower the volatility, the more compact the stop and take levels. This adaptive model allows the strategy to remain effective both in a narrow range and in an expanded trading corridor. At the same time, the risk-reward ratio is fixed at 1:1, which ensures a balanced mathematical model. In other words, a single losing trade cannot destroy the accumulated weekly result. Trading is conducted simultaneously on 15 currency pairs, which provides strong diversification and reduces concentration risk. This trading bot uses strict algorithmic risk management with exposure control and drawdown limitation, as implemented in professional algorithmic funds. So, if you are tired of high-risk trading systems with uncontrolled lot increases and want to install a structured and predictable algorithmic advisor on your trading account, then SharkFX is made just for you. See you soon.